Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I will show you how to create a meal with Myfitnesspal. So first you need to have Myfitnesspal on your smartphone. If you don't, just download it on your store or smartphone store, which is the App Store for the iPhone or the Play Store for the Android, and search for Myfitnesspal. So we are going to type Myfitnesspal and click on this application and download it, and now we are going to click on our application here. So it's if it's your first time, you need to log in with an existing account. If you don't have, just create a new one, or you can also connect with Facebook. So now we are going to the diary, so you can see the meals that you can have. So as you can see here, with here going to the diary and click on add food, go into my meals. There is an option that is called create a meal. So here we can create a new meal, or there is another option by going to the more menu, or clicking on more, or the 3 points icon, and here we will find my meals, recipes and foods. So click on it, go into the meals, and down we will find this blue button that is called create a meal. So I click on it and we will have a pop-up window like the previous one. So here we can do whatever we want or add any ingredient for the meal or anything. So you can add a picture for the meal so you can recognize it and give it, for example, I'm going to add an item of the meal. So you can add a meal on this meal, or you can add a recipe that you already had, or you can create a new one with the same exact method that we are doing now. So I'm going to add this one, just add it. As you can see here, I have my meal that has this recipe. I can, for example, add something else, clicking on add. Those are the directions. Here we will find nutrition facts of this. So if I have to click, so you can add some foods, or you're just clicking on searching for a food, you can just add things. And items, so you will be just adding whatever you want. So as you can see, clicking add food, and now I have my food added to the meal, and we will be adding however you want, or how many you want of foods. All you have just to click on add food, and you will have it like this, and just add food and just click on it and edit the serving, etc, etc. So now that we ended our meal, just click on save. It will give us to give it a noun. The save button doesn't work for the moment. We need to give it a noun, so meal, meal new, like this, and save. As you can see, this is my meal saved, and it calculates its nutrition fact automatically. So just I'm going to delete it because I'm not needing this meal, and now you have your own meal created. So basically this is how you do it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.